what's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call 1 Direct, helping people do their business better. So a YouTube viewer asked, can we connect the EPOS Impact 1000 series headsets via a USB-C cable to the brand new iPhone 15? And Scott Houston, a field sales engineer for EPOS, said, let's find out. And Scott, what did you find out?
Well, we found out that you certainly can. So using the included USB-C cable or a USB-C cable you might have kicking around and just plugging that directly into the bottom port, now USB-C on the iPhone, right? A welcome change. I know I've been looking forward to it. And we have that connected directly to that. On the phone, Bluetooth is off and the device has been forgotten so that we do not have any incidental connections over Bluetooth. We know that can be squirrely sometimes. So here you are hearing me on a direct path. I still have active noise canceling active on the ear cups, and I can turn that off if I want to with our button over here on our ANC versions, and I can still move it up to mute. So when you do put it up to mute, the headphone will tell you if you have it activated, microphone muted, microphone unmuted. And, throughout certain platforms, you'll also get the synchronization of the mute indicator on that too.
Quick question. So when you do have it plugged into your phone via the USB-C cable, do you have to turn on the headset or leave it off?
Here I have it turned on just to keep the ANC active. And I would also assume that turning it off would disable the microphone or all the power going to the microphone. That's where all the AI is. So we could certainly try. You want to give it a try?
Let's try. Let's
do it. Let's do it. As soon as I locate the button here.
Yep.
And yep.
Oh. All right. So let's see.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh.
The headset is the headset's powered on so that we make sure the microphone and wonderful AI activities of the headset are running.
All right. Yeah. So it kind of cut out there. So I don't know if it's trying to just associate itself with the Zoom phone or the Zoom app. So let's see. Start talking a little more.
Yeah, because it will come up to say the audio styles, like the phone gave me a notification, like back to phone when then so it might have taken a second because it was telling me that it was powering on when I flipped it back on. So you might have a 1 or 2 second delay there. All
right. So Scott, thank you so much for doing this. And YouTube viewers, if you have any other questions like this, look at how awesome our partners are, how willing they are to do what they have to do to answer your questions. And as always, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.